Hello everybody, today we're going to read Burn Squirrel #1, On the Run. Sorry I didn't read to you guys books for these months, so let's get started. What one perfect day for flying. Hello tree, looking sharp, porcupine. Good morning fish, it's a wonderful day. Where are you hiding from? Ah! Bonk! Gasp, gasp. The cat. What? I don't see any cat. Don't you know that cats are responsible for 47% of all squirrel deaths each year? Hey, you want to fly around with me? I can carry you. Definitely not. I got some work to do. Winter's almost here. And if I don't store enough food, I will starve. Whoa, a nice bike. Can I take her for a spin? No. Can I ring the bell? No. Can I stand in a seat? No. Can I? No. Shouldn't you be migrating south with the rest of the birds? Nah, I'm having too much fun out here. Hey, where are we going? Are you sure you don't want to go flying? Alright, but you are missing out on a beautiful day. What do we have here? Oh, wow, hello there. Aren't you a handsome birdie? Haha, how embarrassing. I sometimes talk to myself, usually when no one's around. Yeah, this is awkward. I'll just go now! Chow! There's nothing like an early morning chase to get the old heart of pumping. And you could definitely use the exercise. Chomp! Is it true that dogs are smarter than cats? Chomp! There, that should last the winter. Hey, Squirrel, look who I found. It's that dumb cat you were talking about. Thwack! Ouch! Uh-oh. Did I say you were dumb? I meant incredibly handsome. Not my problem. I always wondered what it would be like to be eaten alive. Ew, ow, okay, it hurts. I know I'm going to regret this. Rumble. Ah. Ah! Meow, meow. Splash. Gasp. My food. I'm alive. I'm dead. Thanks to you, I have no food. No food plus winter equals death. Hey, there's plenty of food downstairs. We can fly there out together. Oh, we can walk there together. It will be great. 2 friends on the open road. We're not friends. It will be the road trip to end all road trips. I don't like to travel. We'll see new things. New things give me stomach aches. And sleep under the stars. I fear falling of meteors. The world is our oyster. I'm allergic to shellfish. So what's it gonna be? Hit the open road with me or stay here and starve to death? Road trip death, road trip death, road trip death. Fine, road trip. But first we need to bandage up that wound. The blood is creeping me out. Later. An umbrella, a shovel, pots and pans. We're bringing everything but the kitchen sink. You can never be too prepared. Gee, I hope I'm not forgetting anything. Hey, no. Where's your spirit of adventure? Just hop on and don't look back. Wahoo! You're doing it! was close. I almost forgot my toothbrush. Snap. Hiss. Ah! Did you buy any chance pack of breath mints? We're gonna die. Seriously, Cat. You really should do something about your breath. Would you quit antagonizing it? If you pedal a little faster, wouldn't have to antagonize it. I'm pedaling as fast as I can. You might also want to watch where you're going. Ah! Sploosh! Whoosh! Gas! Woohoo! High five! We lost the cat. Our instance, we almost died. Now we have no supplies. But we get to float down the river on a log, and that's pretty cool. Just listen to the soothing of the running water. Acorns do. Oh! It's a waterfall! Woohoo! Sploosh! Gas! That was incredible! We should definitely do that again. Did you hit your head on a rock? Now we have no food and no supplies. We're gonna die! But look on the bright side, you still have your toothbrush. Okay, but don't blame me when you get cavities. The cat is back. Sniff, crunch, crunch. There's nothing better than a little walk in the woods. Look at this flower. Look at this tree. Look at this rock. Whoa, look at that grizzly bear. What? Ah! Just kidding. Maybe we should find somewhere to wait out that storm. Let me check. Just check. Nope, 0% of chance to preparation. My bird senses are never wrong. I should take in the dark clouds to concentration. Do you know what we need? You know what we need. Umbrella, food, a warm bed, peace and quiet. A theme song. Here's a little song about bird, squirrel, two best friends named Bird and Squirrel. We're not friends. I'm Bird, you're a squirrel. Bird, and squirrel. Stop. Did you hear something besides my birdtastic theme song? Crackle. Just a cat. Meow. Yeah, here, ball. You really should have told us you were coming. I would have worked you into our theme song. Make for that hole. I don't like holes. See ya, here, ball. Thwomp. Crackle. No, we have been eaten. We're in the belly of a beast. No, we're in a hole. Do you know what lurks in the dark holes? Snakes, spiders, bats, a deadly wasp who will paralyze us with a single sting and lay its eggs on our backs, and its larvae will hatch and feed on our inside while we're still alive. Hey, look, there's something coming this way. I don't want to be wasp food. Oh, hello, I thought I heard something most of the day. I'm Bird and his sacral friend here is Squirrel. Hi. Pleased sure to meet you both. Looks like you have a rough day. Well, no worries. Follow me. The wife is cooking some grub for dinner. Oh no, we don't want to intrude. Nonsense. You can stay here. You can stay the night, and I'll take you back up top in the morning. Honey, we got visitors. Oh, wonderful. The more mirror. There's plenty of gum for everyone. It really is gum. Be worried. The sky protects from above. What's it like up top? Are there monsters? How do you think we ended down here? How? We were attacked by a giant cat. Wow. The cat has many lives and hunts night and day. Okay. Have you ever seen a grizzly bear? You betcha. He had ginormous claws and razor-sharp fangs. No way, really? Yeah, true story. He tried to eat me. What about you, Mr. Squirrel? One time I saw a nut the size of a small boulder. It took me the whole day to get him up my tree. Here, let me help with those, Mrs. Mole. And there was the time I rode a mountain lion. That's quite a family you have there. I couldn't imagine life without him. Do you have a family? Oh no, definitely not. I'm too busy just trying to survive. You must be lonely. Yeah, sometimes. Rawr! Ah! I'm gonna eat you. You have to catch us first. Gotcha. Danger lines ahead. Huh? The greatest distance will fall. Life will end. Even as it continues. What do you mean? Are you saying I'm going to die now, Grandma? You have little too much excitement for one day. Later, you boys should be comfortable in here. Mrs. Mole, have any of Grandma's predictions ever come true? Oh, don't be silly. Grandma really makes any sense. Okay, well, good night. Good night. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Zzz. Bed bugs? Sniff, sniff. You boys better. In the morning, you boys better get move on. Won't be long before there's snow. Thanks again for letting us stay. And tell me small thanks for food. You're very welcome. Drop in anytime. Have a safe journey. Crick. Uh-oh, the cat is back. Crick. Creak. Meow. Crack. Hiss. And they're going downstairs. The wind is coming, and there's snow. Shiver. Good to see you again, Mr. Sun. Oh, hello, little bee. Buzz. Look at me, squirrel. I'm a bee. Buzz. 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 You're not going to believe this, but I'm not really a bee. Ouch! No need to get bent out of the shape. Ouch, ouch, behave yourself. Ouch, 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 just be. Going now. Angry bee alert, you might want to run. Hey, I think my wing is better. I don't like bees. I can fly again. Ouch, ouch, ouch. 15 bee stings later. Look on the bright side, at least we know my wing is better. Where's the food? Look how my bee stings got. Yeah, about that, I kind of dropped it. You what? I can't take it anymore. You're the most intolerable creature I've ever met. I'm done walking south with you. You want to get yourself killed, be my guest, and leave me out of it. You do realize that this messes up our theme song. I got some for ya. Bird, bird, one annoying bird named Bird. Bird, bird, bird. Snake! Hiss. I don't like snakes. I really don't like fans. Snap. Trip, slam. Eep. Hiss. Hiss. Hello, snake. Zoom. Smash. Too slow. Crunch. Missed me. Not even close. Splat. Slither. You gasp. Saved my life. Come, we better get moving. We know what else is lurking around here. I can't go any farther. I don't belong out here. I just want to go home. You'll die if you turn back now. I'm going to die if I keep going. That crazy old mouse said I'm going to fly to my death. And the way things are going. And I believe her. Thud. Look on the bright side, you're dead either way. Oh, thanks, Captain Comfort. I'm just saying, you might as well keep going and make the best of it. What's it gonna be? Die cold and alone on your way back home? Or take a chance, maybe have some fun and die with me? I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'd rather die with you. Woohoo! And the band is back together. Bird and squirrel, two best friends named Bird and Squirrel. I'm never so happy to see the sun. Yep, it should be smooth sailing from here. The cat is back. Like a worm, they're mighty tasty. No thanks. I can see from 4 miles. I can see the top of your head. We're almost on top. Voila! Gotcha. Go! Thud. Toss. Piff. Creak. Creak, crack, whoosh! What's it like to fly? Ah, there's nothing else like it. You're there and everything is quiet. Your worries just melt away. And you go where the wind takes you. You want me to take you up? Nah, I'm just starting to enjoy myself. Probably best if we put off my inevitable death until later. Good point. Morning. Zzz. Yawn. Good morning, Bird. Bird! Oh no, Bird's being eaten. What am I going to do? This is horrible. I should never fall asleep. What was I thinking? Do you always run around crazy in the morning? You're alive! Why wouldn't I be? Oh, haha, no reason. Hey, what's that you got there? Toss. I found breakfast. Help yourself. There's worms, grubs, and everyday slugs. Thanks. Go on, try it. Choo choo, go. That was pretty tasty, thanks. If you like grubs, you're gonna love beetles. Beetles terrify me. How about grasshopper? They just give me the heebie-jeebies. Wow, what's heebie-jeebies? I don't think we can walk around this. Look how we're gonna fly from here. Fly? I don't know. Meow! Afraid we don't have a choice. Aw, nuts. On the bright side, cats can't fly. He leaps and he misses. That will be the last we see of him. Seriously, that's a really, really, really long fall. Hello, remember me? The one who's supposed to fall from great distance and die. Don't be ridiculous. I'm not gonna let you fall. Whoa. And there's a promise. At what point do my worries melt away? Just try to relax. Zzz. Hello, goat. Bah! How ya doing down there? I'm still alive. I told you there's nothing to worry about. Uh-oh. Screech! This is not good. Help! Zoom! Wish I could stick around, but I've got a promise to keep. Gotcha! I'll come back for you after I shake bird brain. I think I've met my match. Snap! Gotta go! Crumble, screech, I'm dead. Bird! I gotta do something. Shoom! Thud! Screech! Gas! No! Squirrel, are you okay? Squirrel? What have I done? This is all my fault. Yes, that was birdtastic! Did you see what I did? The hawk didn't know what hit him. You're not dead. Are you kidding? I've never felt more alive. Thank you. Why are you thanking me? I got us into this mess. Exactly. What are we waiting for? Let's fly, not so fast. Better wait for that hawk to leave first. Huh? No way! Ow! Oof! Thud. Okay, fine. I'll put you in our theme song. But you're gonna clean yourself up first and freshen your breath. Thwack! Hey, you dumb hairball. I bet you're too slow and too stupid to catch me. Thwack! Hiss! I hope this works. Come and get me. I'm right here. Not a nice, tasty squirrel ready to be eaten. Chomp! Meow! That should be the last time we see of old hairball. That was truly squirrel-tastic. Thanks for saving my life. What are friends for? Hey, don't you want your helmet? Nah, I don't need it anymore. Are you sure? Positive. Okay. Then again, you never know when a meteor falls from the sky. Maybe we should fly a little lower this time. Good idea. Next stop, South. Welcome to South. This is the life. It sure is. Slurp. I'm bored. Me too. I've always wondered what's out there. I don't have plans. I don't have any plans for the winter. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Next stop, Great Unknown. Bird and Squirrel, two best friends named Bird and Squirrel. The end. Bye guys. See you on the next video. I have 5 more books to read. 讲完了。
停了吗？